Hi y'all, my name is Brandi LaShay, and in today's video we are going to be doing a roller set plus a flat iron. These are the products that I will be using for today's tutorial. Most of these products are heat protectants, but I'll get a little bit into that as the video continues. One of the main features of this tutorial will be these rollers. They have those ridges on there that are going to be great for gripping the hair and making this such an easy process. Now I'm going to go in with that roller and I'm going to start parting out my hair. I want the parts to be the width of the roller, actually a little bit smaller than the width of the roller, and I'm going to make sure that I have one going down the middle of my hair, from the middle down to my ear, and then that last section in the back will be the final section. First product I'm going to go in with is my BioSilk Silk Therapy 17 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. Ooh, that's a handful. I'm also going to go in with my Joico Define Damage Invincible Frizz Fighting Bond Protector. It smells so freaking good, y'all. This is my first time trying it, and I promise you, this won't be the last. It smells so good. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in with an oldie but a goodie, my Chi Silk Infusion Serum. And these three products are gonna be like my heat protectant to make sure that I don't have any damage while I'm adding this heat to my hair. Now I'm gonna go in with the roller, and I want to make my part about a half of the diameter of the roller. I'm gonna go in with some water because we need our hair to be soaking wet. Do you see that water dripping? Like, that's how wet we need our hair. This is gonna help with stretching our hair out for a smoother finish. While I'm rolling my hair, you'll notice that I'll roll and then I'll push my hair back out. All I'm doing is ensuring that when this is rolling in the roller, I'm keeping my hair as neatly wrapped around the roller as possible. You don't want to wrap it around too loose because then it's not going to take the shape that you want it. And once we have it neatly to our head, we'll go ahead and move on to the next roller. So I'll take a section about half the diameter of the roller. I will make sure that my hair is soaking wet. I'll go ahead and do a light detangle, and then I will wrap my hair around the roller, ensuring that I keep my hair as neat as possible. And then you just roll down to the root. One key thing that I want to mention is whatever the width of the roller is, make sure your hair parting is a little bit less than that. This is going to be that middle section fully completed. It's neat, it's not perfect, but it's neat. And this is the left side being completed. And right about here is when I realized I didn't have enough rollers. So I still have the back and the opposite side. So we're just gonna make it work. I had some flexi rods and I went ahead and applied the rest of my rollers and put the flexi rods in the back. Now I'm just gonna sit under my hooded dryer for about an hour and a half, and we'll be ready to take these down now. As you can see, the curls are cute. They're pretty straight. Honestly, I could have wore it just like this. But as I start to take them flexi rods down, I realize my hair isn't dry. I guess that comes from the ventilation of the rollers. As you can see, the yellow rollers have those holes in them, which allows the air to pass through, versus the flexi rods do not. So I'm just gonna take the flexi rods and I'm going to replace them with the yellow rollers. Y'all, this roller set was giving me some issues, but as you can see, I just replaced them. I'm actually gonna take that flexi rod, since my hair was dry in the front, and I'm gonna roll my hair back up. I just gathered all that together, so when I go back under the hooded dryer, my hair's not blowing all over. So I'm back now, round 2. And I'm gonna start removing those rods from my hair. And as you can see, my hair is looking really nice, shiny. We have a good stretch on my hair, and this is turning out very promising. Look at the shine. Yes. I did miss a roller. I see it. I'll get it later, but y'all look at the shine and the bounce in my hair. Like, that is top tier. It really is. I'm gonna continue taking out all the rollers. And there you go. And now we are ready for the flat iron. So I have this flat iron set to about 380 to 400 degrees. And I'm just gonna be using that to get my hair as straight as possible. Now this isn't a silk press, but I'm just gonna be straightening out my hair really so I can give myself a trim. But as you can see, I'm going very, very slow down the shaft of my hair. You don't want to go too fast because then you're not giving that straightener enough time to pass that heat through the hair shaft. This will result in frizzy hair. Also, I'm doing these passes in real time so you can see how slow I'm actually going. Obviously, you don't want to keep the straightener just stagnant on the hair because that will cause burning. You want to keep the hair moving in a constant, slow motion downward until you reach the ends of the hair shaft. And then I did do a little bump at the ends because I think that's cute. I don't know when we got away from the bump, but I like the bumps. So I will continue to straighten my hair and I will come back when we're on to the next step. If you're liking the video so far, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Now that we're done straightening my hair, I'm just going to go in with this paddle brush and wrap my hair to set overnight. I'm going to place my scarf on my head, that way my wrap doesn't come undone while I'm sleeping. And I'll see y'all in the morning. And this is the next day. As you can see, my hair is looking so good. I love the way this turned out. This is just a different way to straighten your hair. So I hope you thought this technique was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Brandi LaShay. I hope y'all have a wonderful week and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.